Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we've got a handy tutorial for you, how to program a universal remote control. If you're tired of juggling multiple remotes for your TV, DVD player and sound system, a universal remote can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly talk about what a universal remote is. Essentially, it's a single remote that can be programmed to control various devices in your home entertainment setup. It's like having a magic wand to command your entire entertainment system. Step 1. Check compatibility. The first step is to check if your devices are compatible with the universal remote. Most modern universal remotes support a wide range of brands, but it's always a good idea to double-check. You can find this information in the remote's manual or on the manufacturer's website. Step 2. Gather information. Next, gather some information about your devices. You'll need the brand and model number for each one. This information is usually found on the back or bottom of the device. Having this info handy will make the programming process a breeze. Step 3. Insert batteries. Now, let's power up the universal remote. Insert the batteries according to the instructions in the manual. This might seem like a no-brainer, but hey, it's the foundation of a smooth remote programming experience. Step 4. Find the code. Every device has a specific code that the universal remote needs to recognize it. You can find these codes in the manual, or often, the remote comes with a code list. If you don't have a manual, don't worry. You can usually find it online on the manufacturer's website. Step 5. Program the remote. Alright, let's get down to business. To program the remote, follow these general steps. Press and hold the setup button until the indicator light turns on. Enter the code for your device using the number buttons on the remote. Test the remote by trying basic functions like power and volume control. If it works, congratulations. If not, try another code until you find the right one. And there you have it, programming your universal remote control. Now you can enjoy the convenience of controlling all your entertainment devices with just one remote. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.